In this tutorial, I'll show you how to make a V-stitch. We'll start with 2 chains. I'm going to turn, make another chain, because the first 2 was your double crochet, 1 chain, and then we'll make a double crochet in the same stitch. Double crochet. Okay, let's do that again. We're going to skip 2 stitches. In the third one, we're going to make a double crochet, chain 1, double crochet, yarn over, pull through the 2 loops. That is a V-stitch. Let's do another one. So we're going to skip 2 stitches. In the third one, double crochet, 1 chain, and another double crochet in the same stitch. It looks like that. Remember to subscribe to see the rest of the tutorials on the basic stitches.